Okay, you guys, wish me luck. It's my first time cutting bangs. What did I do? What did I do? No, babe, it's bad. No, babe, it's really bad. It's really bad. It's all the prank. Just kidding. Hey guys, I'm Clayton Hawkins, celebrity hairstylist, and I'm right on top of that, Rose. And today, we're talking at-home haircuts. That's right, I'm gonna show you how to trim your own hair. In fact, I'm gonna give myself some sickening layers and gorgeous little curtain bangs, all from the safety and comfort of my own mansion. House? Okay, apartment. Okay, so before we begin, let's talk scissors. I do not want you guys using these kitchen arts and crafts scissors, okay? I mean, this is gonna result in a haircut so bad. I'm getting worked up right now. Okay, so in a perfect world, you guys would all have just professional hair cutting shears. You don't need to spend, hundreds of dollars on them. And if you're in a pinch, some cuticle scissors will suffice. I'm not mad at them, not happy with them, but as long as they're new, they should work okay. So I'm gonna go wash my hair and get it squeaky clean. What is that accent? Okay, I just washed my hair, rough dried it, and now I'm gonna blow it out smooth before I trim it. Okay, my hair's all clean and blown out. I'm gonna create a tiny little triangle section at first. Why do I feel like an old-timey dentist? Okay, so the vibe that we're going for today is like a wispy 70s, really sexy sort of curtain bang. So I've started by creating this small triangular section right in the middle of my forehead. Okay, so I'm combing my hair down and I'm holding it between these two fingers. And I'm gonna stop right around the end of my nose. Okay, I really shouldn't base this on my nose because my nose is, a different size than most people's. So now I'm gonna grab my hair cutting shears and I'm gonna cut up into the fringe. I'm not gonna cut straight across, I'm gonna cut up into it. Think of it as if you're taking little nibbles into the hair. So I've added a little bit more hair to this front triangle section and I'm just gonna keep trimming. Okay, cute, we're getting somewhere. So now I'm gonna grab my thinning shears and cut a little bit of weight out of the fringe. I want them to be super light and wispy. So I've let some more hair out on the sides and now we're gonna create our layer that connects to the fringe. So here's a really easy hair cutting hack. Instead of taking big bites with the scissors like this, I'm gonna open and close the scissors very fast, almost like the shears are vibrating. So if I do that at an angle, we're gonna create some really easy to do at home layers. I'll show you. I'm gonna style it a little bit to see how these bangs look in action, but I think we're gorgeous. I mean, what in the 70s goddess is going on here? I mean, this is just some good old updated Farrah Fawcett meets Dakota Johnson meets Britney Spears circa 2001 vibe. I'm not a girl. I am feeling this fantasy, you guys. In the words of 2000s pop icon JoJo, get out, leave right now, because this hair is stunning. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had fun. I know I did. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit up my Instagram at Clayton Hawkins and give it a follow, will ya? Until next time, see ya. I just want to open up my own wings restaurant and name it Save the Last Ranch.